Artic Air Smart AC beeping showing 8.8 code.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Artic King 12,000 BTU Smart AC standing.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Try draining, chage filter, restart. It runs about 5 to 10 minutes then stops with a steady beeping.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Blinking controls with 8.8 on screen where it shows temp.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. Can you give me the model number of the unit? Hi, since I have not heard from you, I am required to give you the best possible answer I can, even with limited information. If you still need help afterwards, let me know. The question will remain open. Answer: on GE units, Arctic Air units, and some other products made by the same parent company. 88 is generally a message you see on startup, however it can signify an issue with the control board, or compressor not starting. The first thing I would do is try and cycle power off and on by unplugging. After that, take note when you try to start it back up. 1. Does the compressor turn on? If yes, we may be looking at an issue with the control board. 2. Does the compressor never turn on? We may have an issue with the board or start components. Please respond with more info and we can troubleshoot further. Thanks.
Customer attachment May 13, 2021 8:36 and 52 seconds p.m. WPPD08CW0N. I cleaned the filter and now it blows out hot air on AC setting but doesn't shut off. I have discovered a bird's nest in the hose with eggs in it.
What hose? Is it cooling now?
The tube blocking the warm air from going outside, I assume?
Can you send a pic?
Customer attachment May 23, 2021 4:59 a.m. Blinking and beeping fast. Random shut off, no air coming out and error codes.
Unfortunately, in this case, the board or one of the sensors has failed. A multimeter will be needed.
How do I fix that? Which parts do I test?
The board. You have to replace it, and likely the sensors too. Usually not worth the effort for a window unit. You need a meter and you need to know how to use it to ohm out each sensor.
It's almost a $500 smart axe that I got within the year. Why would this happen?
If it's less than a year old, it's under warranty. It's hard to say. Lighting, power surges, are a big killer of electronics.
Okay, I will contact them. Idea Artic Air. Do you think if I reset the breaker and tie room it might work?
It's a possibility, but I doubt it if you've already tried it.
It did not fix the issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.